now. We know the many principles of the R already. But the R combines contradictions. And in no letter you can see this better than in the R, yeah? Because you can speak it with the lips, you can speak it with the tongue, and you can speak it with the throat. And it's always opening, closing, letting go, keeping back. Let's try it with the lips. Yeah? If you want to play, you can bulldozer, or yeah, you can just imitate with the lips. With the tongues, if it's possible for you, you can just roll it. Yeah? It's also opening, closing, completely closing and letting go. And if you try to do it with the throat, yeah, different ways of doing it. You can also try to have an opening and closing. You can really feel what is happening here. Also closing, opening, closing, opening. Yeah, different strategies the body develops in doing that. So, in front, in the middle, behind. Our body is mainly orientated in up and down. So if we want to transform it into eurythmy and we have the up and down sphere, where would you, and if you say, okay, I can do it below, I can do it in the middle, and I can do it up here, and you want to represent the energy of how you spoke it, the lip sound, where would you do it? The middle sounds are, where would you do it? And the throat are, where would you do it? And you can always do it exactly the opposite way also as I suggest. That's also true. It's just one way of stepping into it. And what I would suggest is that we do the lip R, what we feel when we do a lip R, that we do it down here. Because the energies of the lower system are the energies of going forward, of being in front, yeah? Not keeping anything back. Risk your life, yeah? And so just speak the brrr, just try to feel how your lips feel. Brrr. And then do a R which stays under your diaphragm. And just try to sense a little bit. And it still takes you along. And you try to feel its energy. And do not step too early. And just be interested in the quality it develops when you do it here. And you can do it very differently down there. R in the center we have done. Let's try 2 or 3 times that we do it. Yeah, in the area of our pelvis, but then a little bit above the shoulders. And again, the R likes to take us along. Down here and above the shoulders. Now try to sense this quality. Great. And the R which you speak in the throat, you can be addressed a little bit when you do it around your head or between diaphragm or the chest and above your head, because what's above has to do with behind, what keeps us back, where we come from, yeah, our spiritual home. So let's try to do an R on the level of, starting on the level of the chest. Let it rise behind the head and come in front, forward. And just think of the R sensations when you spoke it back, far back in the throat. Last time. And make it round. And let it carry you. And arrive. And breathe. And do everything so relaxed as possible, because it's all about just trying. The body just enjoys watching you trying. You don't have to achieve anything. Relax and sit down to listen to the resonance. How does your body feel now? How do you perceive your chest? And you have moved your arms so much. What is stronger in your perception, your chest or your arms? And how do you perceive the lower parts of your body and the legs compared to the upper parts, chest and arms? And let go. Relax.